100 naira. I mean, you know that the highest money we receive or not. $100 now you give me like that, you know, enjoy me. Same way you go, make I get what I go use and treat. No, you know, say Basketmouth, she talks to me, we know they collect money if they give us for stage. Basketmouth, she the curious, I know the I mean, I do more, Joe. Hold on. Because I say Basketmouth decrease, Alibaba will kill you. So I go use and sponsor free education for that. You don't know, let's be serious. My time remains 4 minutes. That is Kaduna. Hold on. It's a premium when you get so name. Pound sterling. Down the road. When I know people must pray for stand-up comedy. Basketmouth, now only UK you go to perform. Banka! Bulodo Jesus. Wait, now £100 you give me like that, no doggy. Guy. You know, as a man, you are not entitled to Lamborghini. So this £100 now, you be like Lamborghini to me. You are a boner boy in my life. Alright, I have 3 minutes. Now, that is Kaduna and bad governance. Then they do the go. I can't say God, I pray to make this protest end for this Kaduna. See, you know one thing about Kano people? There's a slogan in Kano for Hausa. Kode mekazo ampika. It means whatever you come with, we are greater than you in that thing. If you think say you're mad, we are madder than you. When they do that end bad governance, Kano people, their barotombo is not be your normal one. You know, here you take alcohol before you get high. For there we are high from sleep. And bad governance. Now, their own barotombo is a 1-2 syllabic. And bad governance. They know they run. Now police they run. As in the one. And bad governance. Now police control Tiagas. The first one when you front catch them. Pick Tiagas. Now, do you know that one thing I love about Kano people, they don't steal. Kano people will not loot, but they will do something when the president will feel the effect. Now only Kano for the first time saw another country flag. Go to Russia to fight Nigeria. But he said, Putin, come on. Now wow. And my father said my live comedy. If you see what then they give me now, ain't go funny. No, we saw one money I did raise my go MC wedding. My father when he how much they pay me to MC wedding, just go and say Sarkin. Really? Now I said daddy, this is how they scope me, say this your work, you go carry your boy along. Hold on, my time remain 1 minute 30 seconds. Let's be serious. Now, you know in this country, anything when they happen, once you reach Maiduguri, shut down. Check up now. See, for Maiduguri, they know they loot like normal people. If they want loot, they will loot the full area, make news there. Like the news go there for too long. Now, as they come outside, end by the governance, end by the governance, end by the governance. Police going to go back, police going to retire to the retire. You know, I them not be normal audience. Then they go from Niger, Sudan, and other borders. So they just they promote because they just they notice a crowd there for other states. They say, yeah, nah, this one where other people they gather. Come be like say we no get population. May we end this country. End this country. Now, when they start the loot, you go no say they loot. I get 40-something seconds. Listen. As end bad governance and can notice one line. Say, Kai, Dasha goes on Tindeja, we can chop. Then both enter supermarket, then carry biscuit, one even carry cheese balls. He know to the family and I smell and say, shade, your master and daddy. They leave there, they enter the next shop, waiting the boutique, then carry clothes where they go where one even carry female mannequin say, yo, and that's some companion. Now I wish they end for there. They enter the next building, waiting the library as they enter. And the bad governance. No one can say, oh, when only books you put for you. And my brother say, Kai, no be book carry me call. Now just the chair and table me I one part. The part chair and table no carry one thing. But I feared when this guy entered the next building for the street, waiting there, hospital lab. This is my final joke now. As they enter inside, they notice syringe, medicine, they don't understand. One can see one thing will be like shelf, now open now. Carry one bottle, they write on top, specimen. See, once they don't re-echo one word, no say they don't want. Specimen. 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 Now I'm going to say, you don't see specimen before. Now I'm going to say, specimen. Specimen. I know specimen. I know even know say they don't do juice. My name is Sarkin
Dariya. And I don't start to tomorrow now. My name go DK for this lover. I beg. You don't say these days. My name, thank God, my name don't come out from media. Don't come out for blogs more. If you know how they pray every day, Father Lord, change this story. Change this story. God go answer my prayer. My neighbor two-faced, my name go enter. my neighbor, people come, they call me, hey, why? Have you checked on your neighbor? Check on your neighbor. I said, check what? When my own happen, he check on me. Say, check on your neighbor. No. Anyway, that one don't pass. It's still trending. Yeah. Because the one, but una too like gist. Why una be like this? Una just wake up. Waiting they happen. Which celebrity they go down today? Una like this. And it is sweet to now. What una won't believe? Now won't just believe. Hey, you're too much. You and your wife. They go take picture. They don't want kill us. Single people who want to die. Okay, now I don't single. What you again? Huh? Say check on your neighbor. Neighbor will not check on me. Oh, it's okay. Now, what you hear? Before we hear honorable, off the mic. Honorable, off the mic. Now, honorable. The beat where you put for my picky hand and neck, come out.
But when they pray for me, somebody pray for me, say, Kennyblaq, president, we call you. Ha! I say amen. I've been opportunity to speak to two presidents. The only president I want to follow talk. Now Donald Trump, because I know the year waiting they talk. I'm gonna make America great again. When I make America great again, Joe Biden is not gonna win. Say we know. We know that everybody Nigerians are coming home. Yes, they are coming home. They're coming home. But when you pray for me, say, President, go call you very, very distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. 2019, Buhari flashed me. I call him back. I didn't hear you. When I go hear his voice, that man has the calmest voice. I just hear, hold on for the president. Hey, how are you? When did that speed work right here? I said, what am I going to do? He said, what do you we can come with Boo-Boo. I caught the call. I do event. 2 days ago, Tinubu called me. Chakaban, that man's voice sexy. As I hear hold on for the praise, I just hear, as I crack this joke, I see prison. So as they video everybody. I don't think go jail, go a day, and they come, I said, who is this? He said, what do I do when I'm ready to make a comedy? I said, thank you, sir. He said, Kennyblaq, when you do the town hall? Different from All of us don't die like this. As music, they trend around the world now. Now, we can say we don't close to Tinubu, and we just say, Your Excellency, Your Excellency. I'm not telling you about how you're doing here. I'm not telling you anything here. Your Excellency, look up on the there is the music. How do these people know me? It is because of my music. My music. Your Excellency, if you want to win this next election, you have to do music. Look at me. I have a band. Yendeba, 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 yendeba. Even if people know my song, let me try it. As we dey sweet us, eat it. As we dey. So, Your Excellency, you have to drop a music. Tinubu Wike, I don't know how to do it. I've never done a song before. So how am I going to sing it? They say, Your Excellency, I will arrange my band. My band and you will compose the song. Eventually in River State. When we get there, we will shock them. I will be the MC. Our next election, we just see we can just come. Hey, everybody, settle down. You are shaking your head. You think I'm going to shaking your head. I'm shaking your head. You think I'm going to look at that. I'm bringing on stage our president. But I bet you know. Boom. You can call him Jaga. Band, music. Just come. Follow. We are paid for it. Back up.
Jagabon. They call me Jagabon one day. Jagabon. They call me Jagabon one day.
He go come give his speech.
We are getting here in M.O.P show because you are going to jail with me in a town hall different from Falafel. My administration is going to make everybody here give a subtraction and not an information. Two, not just let the poor breathe. Don't suffocate them. Let the poor breathe. We have no responsibility. Let the poor breathe. People asking what I will do when I get back to office. I'm delighted to tell you, I'm a big one. First day in office. First week in office. Yes. Hit the ground running. Second week in office. Hit the ground running. Third week in office. Hit the ground running. Enjoy your weekend.
I am so happy to be here. It is a thing of joy that we are here to celebrate with one of my sons. Put your hands together for M.O.P. Clap for M.O.P. While I was about coming, they said, and I'm coming to Port Harcourt, and I heard that we have a lot of people here. Equequeno. It's a question, And I also heard that M.O.P invited some Benin people. Baba took by A lot have been going on. They are telling me, I will be the president, I will Emelokan. It is my turn. Even Buhari. Who put Buhari in power? Me. I'm also a city boy in Lagos. That's my name. He came to me crying. I told him, Buhari, don't cry. I'll make you the president. Today is he not a president? Buhari failed with Jonathan. You know what they call F11? When somebody fails all the courses, F9. He failed. Then Atiku will come and be speaking Muslim. Walai, talai. He is trying to tell you people, na lie, I lie. So when you see Atiku say, walai, talai, tell him, na lie, you lie. People have been asking me, Mr. Excellency, what will he do to the youth of Nigerians? I have promised the youth already. Turn all the so-called Yahoo boys, turn them into experts in creating and manufacturing chips for that Dazan. A dead fish is not sweet in the soup. They are dead, and we share them. They say there's no job in the country. Who said there's no job? Employ more than 50 million youth. Put them in the army. What to eat will not be the problem. Our farmers will make more money. Cassava, gari, and I keep telling people, I see a lot of people that are short. They are behind. But one thing is for sure. No matter how short you are, when you get out, you see the sky. The past government, they spent more than $60 billion. They forget that the transmission line is a super highway. They couldn't even make a down payment for a roasted corn. They are talking about electricity. We brought electricity to Nigeria. We are even yet to generate electricity to even roast barley. $60 billion they couldn't pay for a kilowatt energy to even make a popcorn. I belong to a party. Every day they're asking me, what's your party? What's your party? What's your party? Where's the DJ? DJ, Play a song for me, I want to dance. Stop the song. Stop the song. The stage is shaking. It's shaking. A lot of you have graduated for long, and you are still working. But when I come into power, it will be 4 years course for 4 years job. 7 years course for 7 years job. That is why we have a lot of dropouts, graduates outside. Let me tell you. I want to tell you a story. The story is about the animal kingdom. All the animals say na their wife bad pass. The tortoise, the lizard, the frog can't come. Can't say na him own, na him bad pass. All our oppositions, na their own bad pass. When I traveled, before I leave, let me say this. That whatever you are doing, you should understand that the sideways is different from when you look upward behind.
Gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen, let me first and foremost advise that comedian who just finished performing. He said everything I said, you must go. Be careful. Be very, very careful. I am dealing with politicians. They are crying. You. If I touch you, you will know that something touch you. But that notwithstanding, we are here to celebrate. And of course, we are gathered here because of a young man. I sat backstage and I've been hearing a lot of people say good things about him. And then he said his father is here. This is the only child that I see that him and his father are almost the same age mate. But it's okay. Everybody is father. Everybody is father. Father, come on, father all of us. But that notwithstanding, the young man is doing very well. And when somebody is doing very well, you tell the person is doing very well. And so I'm here because M.O.P is doing very, very well. He came from Lagos, even if he's a Port Harcourt boy. He lives in Lagos. And when he came here, he came to my house. And he told me, he said, I want to do my show here. I said, no problem. After all, you're a Port Harcourt boy. Don't be so. Don't be so. And I promised him that I was going to be here. Another here. Another here. Who is your brother? Who is your brother? Who is your friend? Not those that will tell you they will come and they will not. Happy man, happy man. Happy man, happy In River is why, as the governor of Rivers State, it is my duty to protect life and property, and to protect you people, and to deliver the dividends of democracy. And that's why it's everywhere. Is the dividend of democracy not showing everywhere? Look at the whole town, very beautiful. Flyover 1, flyover 2, flyover 3, flyover 4, flyover 5, flyover 6, flyover 7, flyover 8, flyover 9, flyover 10, flyover 11. We will continue to win them. We will continue to. Because let me tell you, I don't have problem with anybody. Life is about you balance things. People will say, I don't balance things. Look, listen. Life is I cannot be in water and soap with my eye. It's not done anywhere. It's not done anywhere. Take one, give us one. Don't take all. That's being greedy. And you expect me to close my mouth? I cannot close my mouth.
Agreement is agreement. Agreement is agreement. Make me do it till you talk. You come begin change your mouth. Agreement is agreement.
That's their business. If they like, let them not do what we are saying. Election is on the 25th. We will go there, all of us will dig it out. Because they cannot oppress me. And they will not expect me to close my mouth. Come on, down, woma dole wa.
Oh, abundole dole.
Come on, down, woma dole wa.
Oh, abundole dole.
So don't fear. We will go out for this election and we will win. Not be so. Don't worry. Melembe. We know what we have. Even them, they know what we have. It's not this one they are running up and down. Fa.
Yes, so we keep